A healthy garden starts with living soil, and earthworms are its best indicator. For generations, gardeners knew that earthworms meant fertile, thriving ground. These creatures aerate, enrich, and structure the soil, making nutrients available to plants. But now, many gardeners are noticing earthworms are disappearing. Compacted, lifeless soil is becoming the norm, and that's a red flag. Without earthworms, soil loses its structure, water retention, and natural fertility. We're forced to rely on more tilling, watering, and chemicals, trying to replace what earthworms once did for free. Their absence signals a deeper problem. Our soil is out of balance. The web of life below ground unravels, leaving us with weak, disease-prone plants. The loss of earthworms is a wake-up call to restore the foundation of our gardens. It's time to look deeper and revive the life beneath our feet. Earthworms don't leave healthy soil. They're driven out by our actions. Excessive tilling and heavy machinery destroy their tunnels, compacting the soil and making it unlivable. Chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides poison the soil, killing the microbes earthworms depend on. High-salt fertilizers can even kill worms on contact. Bare, uncovered soil bakes in the sun and erodes in the rain, leaving nothing for earthworms to eat or shelter in. Without organic matter or protection, the soil becomes a desert for worms. Earthworms need porous, moist, nutrient-rich soil with plenty of organic cover. When we neglect these needs, they leave or die. Our focus on feeding plants, not soil, has created a crisis underground. To bring earthworms back, we must rebuild their habitat and rethink our approach. Healthy soil starts with caring for its smallest residents. To restore earthworm habitat, we need permanent porous structure in the soil. Enter biochar, especially biochar made from banana peels. Biochar is charcoal made by heating organic matter in low oxygen, creating a lightweight porous material. When added to soil, it acts like a sponge, forming tiny tunnels and chambers, perfect homes for earthworms and microbes. Banana peel biochar is rich in potassium and micronutrients, slowly releasing them over time. Unlike raw peels, biochar lasts for centuries, building a stable soil reef that supports life. Each piece of biochar is a micro-apartment for beneficial microbes and a safe haven for worms. It holds water, provides air pockets, and keeps soil moist and breathable. By adding biochar, we're not just amending soil, we're engineering a permanent sanctuary for earthworms. This shifts us from quick fixes to lasting solutions, letting soil life do the work of feeding our plants. Biochar is the house. Earthworms and microbes make it a thriving home. Making banana peel biochar is simple and can be done in a day. Collect and chop banana peels, then air dry them to reduce moisture. Pack the dried peels into a metal can with a vented lid. Heat the can in a fire for 20-30 minutes until the venting stops. Let the can cool completely before opening to reveal lightweight, black biochar. Crush the char and charge it by mixing with compost or compost tea. This fills the pores with nutrients and microbes. Apply a thin layer, about 1/8 inch, raked into the top few inches of soil. Don't overdo it. Too much biochar can lock up nutrients. In just 24 hours, you've turned kitchen scraps into a permanent soil upgrade. This simple step creates instant habitat for earthworms and soil life. Your garden's foundation is now stronger and more resilient. After adding banana peel biochar, you'll notice soil feels lighter and absorbs water better. The real magic happens below the surface. Biochar becomes a hub for beneficial microbes and earthworms. Its porous structure buffers moisture and pH, creating stable conditions for soil life. Earthworms return, drawn by the moisture and abundant food, and start rebuilding healthy soil. Remember, always charge biochar and use it sparingly for best results. Biochar is a catalyst, not a cure-all. A little goes a long way. Over time, your soil becomes richer, darker, and more resilient. You'll need less fertilizer and water as the living ecosystem takes over. This is a permanent upgrade. Biochar lasts for centuries, supporting generations of healthy plants. By restoring earthworm habitat, you become a true soil architect. Healthy soil, thriving plants, and a self-sustaining garden all start with life below the surface.